Well, after a 4-hour drive, which included 3 stops, we've made it to East Harbor State Park in northern Ohio. We are all set up, enjoying a little bit of lunch, and I think in just a little bit we're going to go explore some of the trails. There's about 7.5 miles of hiking trails here. This is on the bird migration route, and apparently we've hit it just at prime time. So we should see lots of various wildlife, birds in this area. So we'll see. Hopefully the rain holds off. Going to get some rain, I think, tonight, but no big storms. And then we're here all day tomorrow as well. So let's go see what we can find. Well, good morning. We are out for a early morning walk. I say early morning, it's about 9:30. And hope you've been able to hear the birds. That's what we woke up to this morning, was the sound of all these birds. I'm not a birder, so I can't tell you what variety they are, but boy, they're pretty and they sound great. So we're just gonna keep walking here and see what we can find. right here. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you again for watching. We are loading up the van and heading out to our next stop. We'll show you what it is as soon as we get there. Take care. Bye-bye.